I literally cannot believe it, but here we go. We're finally at the time. I've been hearing it forever. You guys are dying to know how to do it. It's Introduction to Division. So, in order to give you guys time this week to study your multiples of 6, which you should have posted in your house and be looking at every single day and saying 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. We're going to do some more different kind of math, and then next week we'll do memorizing of multiples of 7. So today's the day. Here we are. Introduction to division. I know you can hardly even wait. So we're going to start with the basics. The basics are that there are at least three ways that we're going to talk about writing a division problem. You could have the large number and then the slash like this by the small number. That means 12 divided by 2 right there. You could also have it written on top of it like a fraction, 12 divided by 2. You could have this little sign, the large number first, 12, divided by, this is the most common way to write a division problem. You write a line, almost like a subtraction line, and you put a dot on top and a dot on the bottom. That's the most commonly known sign for division. Divided by 2 equals. Or another way that you'll see as the years go on, and you're in 3rd and 4th grade and going onward from there, is that you put the large number into, it almost looks like a half of a box. It looks like this. And then you put the small number out there. That says 12. This says divided by 2. All the same problem, 12 divided by 2, 12 divided by 2, 12 divided by 2, 12 divided by 2, but just written in different ways. Okay? So let's figure out how we're actually going to solve 12 divided by 2. So let's start here. This problem says 12 divided by 2. So that means I have 12 items that I'm splitting into 2 equal groups. Division means dividing or splitting things into equal groups. Well, if I need 2 groups, I'm going to draw 2 circles. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to split 12 things between these 2 groups. I need to make sure that both groups have the same amount when I'm done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 1 here and 1 here, and I'm going to count up from 0 to 12 when I count. So I'm just recounting the ones I just put in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Stop. I made it to 12. Now I need to make sure that my groups are even. So in this group I have 5 plus 1 more is 6. 5 plus 1 more is 6. So yes, my groups are even. So 12 split equally into 2 separate groups equals 6. So the answer actually on a division problem goes right on top of the number in the ones place. So the 6 is going to go right there. The next problem we have, I wrote it a different way. I could have written it with the 9 in the box and the 3 on the outside. This is just another way to write a division problem. And this problem says 9 divided by 3. So it's like I have $9 and I need to split it equally amongst 3 friends. So if I need to split it into 3 groups, right down here, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to count out, I'm going to put 1 in each group until I make it till 9. I'm just going to keep going back until I run out of things to write. So 1, 2, 3. Am I to 9 yet? Nope, I need to go back. 4, 5, 6. Am I to 9 yet? Nope. 7, 8, 9. Oh, now I'm to 9. And let's make sure all my groups are even. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, so each group has 3. So 9 divided by 3 equals 3. I could write that up there too. So the next problem we have is 14 divided by 2. I could also write it like this, 14 on top and 2 underneath, or I could write 14 in the box divided by 2, or I could write it the most commonly way we see things in 2nd and 3rd grade is with this division sign, which is a line with a dot on the top and on the bottom. So looking at this, I have 14 total items, and I'm splitting it into 2 equal groups. So it's like I'm going to give 1 to my brother and 1 to my sister, 1 to my brother, 1 to my sister until all 14 of them are gone. So here I have 2 groups. 1, 2, just like that number says, 2. Now I need to count till I get up to 14, giving 1, 1, 1, alternating between the groups. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Am I done? Oh no, I need to go to 14. I'm only at 12. 13, 14. Now I need to count how many items are in each group, and that will be my answer. So here I have 5, 6, 7, and here I have 5, 6, 7. Oh good, my groups are equal, so my answer is 7. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. I could write it here, 14 divided by 2 equals 7. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. All different ways to write division problems, but they all say the same thing. It's kind of confusing. Why would they think of 3 different ways to write one kind of problem? But it's just so you know the different ways when you see it. This all means division. So let's try one more. We have here 8 items divided into 4 groups. So how many groups do I need? 8 groups? No, that doesn't make sense. 4 groups? Yes, that makes sense. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then how many things do I need to split into those 4 groups? I use that number. Oh, 8 things. The first number, the total number of items I have. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not to 8 yet, so I need to go back and start again. Go all the way back and say 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I have 8 total items split into 4 even groups. 2, 2, 2, 2. My answer is 2 because I have 2 things in each group. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. So what I'd like you to do for classwork is I would like you to do these 3 division problems. We did talk about this briefly in school before we left, so for most of you it should be review. We have 12 total items here. We're splitting into 6 equal groups. So we draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups. Split 12 items. I want to see your work for that. For this one here, I have 10 total items and 2 groups. So I'm going to draw 2 groups and split 10 total items. And for this one down here, this also says division, just a different way, is we have 12 total items and 3 groups. So I draw 3 circles and I split 12 items with those 3 into those 3 groups. So do your best. Show me your work for these 3 division problems. And we will talk about this today during Zoom at 1 o'clock. Love you. Miss you. Hope you're doing awesome. Can't wait to see your cute little faces at 1 o'clock today. Be incredible. Bye.